Here we are outside again. Storming again. Got another line of storms that formed to our south. It is currently warned for our area. No warnings. This storm maintains its strength. I should be getting a warning here in just any moment now. We're coming over here on the handheld. So, another downpour of rain. Nice lightning going on. I think I can pause if I have to.
Is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Fort, Grundy, Iroquois, Kankakee, Livingston, and Wool. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Grundy County, Kankakee County, Lake County in northwest Indiana, Newton County, north central Fort County, northeastern Livingston County, northern Iroquois County, southern Cook County, southern Kendall County, or County until 11 o'clock p.m. At 6:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Doppler radar estimated 2 to 3 inches of rain has fallen over the last 1 to 2 hours, with an additional 1 to 2 inches still possible over the next couple of hours. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Alsip, Beaver City, Blue Island, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Burnham, Calumet City, Cedar Lake, Channahon, Chatham, Chicago Heights, Conrad, Crown Point, Dalton, and Dwight. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. The current time is 7 p.m.
Is that right here? They got some yard flooding going on. So here's the latest radar. As you can see, we got warning boxes coming up everywhere. This is the flash flood warning that was just issued. I'm right here, so I'm just outside the warning box. That's what's coming over our area right now. Got a little red cell. But you can see there's a whole line of it, and it's back building. And there's actually still a warning on it. So, looks like we're going to get some more activity here in just a little bit. But right now, it doesn't look like we're getting a whole bunch of anything until we get... But there is some more development over here, so we're going to watch that closely. Yeah, you take a look. You take a look at all the activity going on here. That's where it's all at right now, especially that cell right there going through Gary. So it's really going. Take a look at the alert map. Update it real quick. There it is. flash flood warning. Alright. Looking good.